governors Ogun, President. Now, next. Mr. Tinubu, thank you very much for my governor of Adamawa. Your daughter is getting married. A senior sister on her. Okay, good. No problem. Our host governor,
for me to be here this afternoon has been a very difficult decision. A difficult one. Daisy, Danjuma and I crossed our path when we were all growing up here in Lagos, maybe 30-35 years ago. And since then, we have remained friends from acquaintances. And one thing I want to stand here and confirm: her generosity and humanity has no bounds. So today, we are celebrating those virtues. And those virtues are very, very important in human development as a nation. We have listened to testimonies of her generosity. We have listened to testimonies of her humanity. And one other thing I would like to say is that hardly do you see her get angry. You may provoke her, but hardly do you see her get angry with you. And again, it's part of the humanity characteristics that has been espoused here during this event. I want to welcome you to our club. I'm a little bit older than you are. And I believe that God, in His infinite mercy, will continue to give you long life, health, prosperity. You have it. So, long life, health, so that your prosperity can continue to be of benefit to mankind. Because that is the purpose of prosperity. You cannot take it beyond this world. It is something that you give back and that you expect to reap when you go back to your Lord. So, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me be one of those who stand here before you to wish you many happy returns of today, health, long life. Please live as long as you want to live, but enjoy also life as you want to enjoy it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a good evening.
Thank you very much, sir. His Excellency.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.